Good morning, everybody. This is Indu Das, and today we're going to look into an air conditioning unit from Carrier, which makes a very loud shrieking noise. And we're going to troubleshoot this and try to fix it. So, as you can hear it, it makes a very loud noise. And if you look closely, it is really struggling to rotate the fan blade. And now you see the blade is not even running, and it is really struggling. So, that's naturally the fan blade problem, or maybe the fan motor problem itself, but definitely nothing to do with the condensing unit or compressor or anything like that. So first thing first, before working on any AC unit, as you know that AC works on a very high voltage, 240 volt, make sure to turn the breaker off from the main panel and also disconnect it here. There is an every AC unit has a disconnect. So in my case it's here. So that's what you have to disconnect, and when you pull the disconnect out, you would see something like this. Now, once the breaker off, the next thing in order to figure out where the noise is coming from was that I removed the upper grill. There are four bolts, as you can see, and once it came off, then it's you can reach the motor, fan motor, and then there's just one bolt which is holding the blade. So I removed the blade, and after that I restarted the AC. And when I restarted the AC, the fan started running but without the blade, and the sound was completely gone. So that confirmed the sound was actually coming from the blade and not from the motor or not from any other portion. Next, looking at the model number of the motor as well as the size of the blade, I could find out the blade that will work in my case on Amazon, and it was available for close to $60. So that's the one that I got. So this is the new one. We just got it today. So as you can see, this one does not rotate, neither it does wobble. But on the other hand, this is the old one, and in this one rotates, and this one also wobbles. So probably that's why the reason that when the motor was running, it was not able to rotate the blade all the time, and it was creating that shrieking noise always. So we're just going to replace this old one with the new one, and that should fix the noise problem. All right, so the new blade is in, motor is still the old because we don't think there is a problem with the motor. So we're going to give it a try and see if noise went away or not. I think it did. You can still hear the fan humming noise, and that's normal. But you do not hear any, or at least I do not hear any clinging noise or loud shrieking noise or metal clinging noise that that used to come. All I hear is a very smooth noise. So that's what I expected. So that should do it. Thank you so much.